In this video clip, I'm going to talk about how the iPonic 600 control lights. By default, output 1 is assigned to control lights. One of the things it's important to mention is we should never plug a light ballast directly into this unit. You should always use an external trigger of appropriate size to fit with the number of lights that you have, and that only the trigger buttons, only the trigger cable should be plugged into the iPonic 600. On output 1, in this case, it is control the light. The green indicator is on. That means the lights are on at the moment. The way that the light works for the iPonic 600 is anytime the unit is in the day set point mode, the lights are on, and night and diff, the lights are off. So to go there, I click on the light and I go down to settings. You could also click OK, go to current set point, click OK, go option 4, light setting, and you could go into the same screen. This is the screen to set the light. The number option, you can set it here. What's shown here is it said turn on during day set point duration. Again, anytime during the daytime, the light will come on. Night, the light will go off. You can press 2 and just go manual mode. So this is where you press start time, regardless of day or night. You just want to go, I want the light to turn on between this time and that time. Then you can put it directly here. For this demonstration, I will leave it at the default, which is it will follow the day set point duration, which is on this screen here, 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. And on the screen here, change light mode. I will go over this briefly. Default is first bank of light. The iPonic 600 can be set up to control another bank of light where it can alternate between the two banks. It can run the second bank only or both banks at the same time. Let's leave it on first bank only for now. And global light setting, there's certain important parameters in here. There's bank switch delay, so if you have two banks of light, there's a delay between switching the two. And then there's a very important parameter, it's called power cooldown time. By default, this power cooldown time is 15 minutes to allow the light to cool off before the light can come back on again. For this exercise, I will leave that at 15 seconds to speed everything up. So let's leave that as is. Click home. So you see here the light is on. So let me demonstrate the power cooldown. I'm going to force the light to turn off and immediately force it back on again. Manually, it allows you to do that. But let's say I'm going to go do the same thing again. I'm going to force it off. But this time, which is normal, I'm going to go to auto. And then you can see there's a timer there. It will count down the time that we put it earlier before it allows the light to come back on again. That is the power cooldown timer for the lights. And that's how you control the lights on the iPonic 600.